nice. The weather is nice today. The weather nice today. Today's Sunday. And so I'm in PA. Sun is beaming. Go to Walmart, go get some stuff. I need some rice. Some jasmine rice. Yeah, I miss eating white rice. I need some rice in my life. So I'm gonna get some little stuff from Walmart because I need it. I need some little stuff, nothing serious. I actually need a whole chicken too. Haven't had that in so long from here. They baked chicken. I love their baked chicken. So, Papa. Hi.
Hi.
I saw this hello here. Oh. Morning, people. The sun is very hot. It's like 70 degrees today. Today's Monday, June. I don't even know. Okay, but the 3rd was Friday. Saturday was the 4th. Sunday was the 5th. Today's the 6th. So, it's summertime though, people. Next week. Actually, no, this week. Not next week. This week. Going to Summer Jam. Taking my friend Michelle to Summer Jam. Me and her going to Summer Jam. Because I never been to Summer Jam before. And the ticket's not that expensive. So I'm like, let's go, girl. She did something for me for Mother's Day and I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. So I'm like, let me take my girl to Summer Jam. We're gonna turn up. We outside this summertime, okay? Summertime, we outside. Period. That shit is annoying. The other day, this girl was like, she's like, yes, Black Queen. I love seeing Black women in suits. I was like, thank you, boo. That was so sweet. All the Black female giving us compliments. See, that's all it should be against one another. Not hating on each other for no damn reason. Y'all bitches is weird. See, we got to pour down because I'm not playing. Like, it's really hot out here. Yeah, I'm hurry up and get this girl on this train though. This Homer. It's a nice little Homer. Not me putting people's car in the video. That's what I do. Alright, bye. Oh, y'all. I'm off work. Like, yo, my knees, my legs is like painful right now because yesterday when I went to go see Kimani, freaking the steps at the train station, I had to walk the steps. There was no escalator. The escalator at the train station wasn't working, so I had to walk up mad steps. It was a lot of freaking steps. And now my ankle is in pain in my legs.
Yeah. Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the rice. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work.
Today's Tuesday, and they're out here doing ribbon dancing. They got movie night starting next Monday. Movie night's gonna be over there. I need to go to work. I got 7 minutes. I'm about to leave right now. Always wanna act up, yo. I'm mad late today. It's like I'm like 20 minutes late. But these damn trains. It's almost Friday though. 2 more days. I'm trying to have a fun weekend. We got the train. And out here feel hotter than Brooklyn. But it's hot. Tomorrow's Friday. That's all I'm gonna keep thinking about. Tomorrow's Friday. Oh. Alright. I'm early. It's like 10:22. Oh, not really. Oh, yeah. But yesterday I was late as hell. I'm gonna leave out a little bit earlier because these trains get on my damn nerves. Yeah, I'm ready to cut this hair. It's giving annoying. And once I'm annoyed, something gotta go. Something gotta be fixed. So, yeah, this is can't butter. Me just can't butter. But look at the streets of New York City on this Thursday morning. Not that someone to beam in my face. Bad mind. Oh yeah, go this way. This man is all in my face. People be all up in your face. One thing about New York City, them all look right in your face, you know. People all stare right in your face. All you have to do is just stare right back on them, because where you look on, say something or stop looking at me. Simple as that. But I'm gonna look right back in your face. Like, can I help you? The building for me. Morning. Construction workers on the job. This building right here is sexy. And then they got SDK over there on Alder Pass. It's on the opposite side. I usually walk over there. It's a restaurant there. Outside dining. But I'm early for work today. Proud of myself. Sooner or later, yeah. I just got off work and we walk into the train and we hear some noise. We hear some noise over Bryant Park. What are they about to do? What are they doing? I don't know what they're doing, but I'm gonna go and be nosy. Let's see. Let me flip it around and show you what they doing.
It's the only way you can win.
Oh, you're playing.
You need to make an L shape on your card. Someone just had a very shocked look on their face. Like a Billy the Big Mouth Bass, if you remember the nostalgia. So, if you get the L shape by hitting all of the B's and the bottom right.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Some metal
Say this.
Metal
This is
thing.
the first complicated one.
I don't know what that is. It's called.
They have bingo.
Is it? I think it's this.
So that's especially important. Not this.
It's crowded over here.
It'll probably collapse when it's open because it's pressurized. It collapses and then it
crowded over here.
expands.
People.
It's not just collapsible. It also expands, which is helpful. Any water bottle is collapsible when you put it in the garbage, but this one expands and you
Oh, they're
use it
playing
again.
bingo.
That's very clever. We're gonna start round 3 of bingo. As soon as I get a woo, can I get a woo? Great. Round 3 of bingo. L shape starts right now with this ball, which I'm about to call. It is here.
You have to make it out.
G58, G58. Who is close? Oh, this must be extra painful for you. Everybody else, it's the friends we've made along the way. Right? All right. I-18, I-18. And it's B3. We have a possible bingo. Guys.
Damn,
It is possible bingo. But that's been a lot of cards and there were a lot of distracting moments. So who knows, right? And I want to tell all of you that you won in my heart. Do you understand what I'm saying?
You want the Amazon card?
I think of each one of you as winners. I think of one of you as a double winner because that person won 2, which is crazy. The rest of you have won the opportunity to come back in the next 3 weeks, every Thursday at 6:30. Wait, don't leave. We don't know if this person won. If they did win, please leave your cards at your table or return them to the back, and then go on to live a beautiful and fruitful life, long and healthy, with a lot of community. And bingo! Congratulations! You won a t-shirt and an Amazon gift card. Everyone else, you are my favorites because I root for the underdog. So, enjoy the rest of your evening. Please come back next week. I've been your host, Andy Ross. I did fine tonight. I'll do better next time. Which is crazy because I actually did great.
Fine. I'm sorry I stopped over here.
Thank you for coming. Please leave your cards at your table or return them to the back. We will see you in the next 3 weeks.
That was so fun. I wanted to win the Amazon card so bad. I have 4 more rolls and I would have won. But somebody won before I did. But it's cool. Let me go home. It's almost 8 o'clock. And I got up for 6:30. Got my train coming. Walk down this steps right here. I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I want some chicken. Look at this. I can't see it. Let me see. My train should be coming soon. Just came off the train. Trying to get Dollar Tree before Dollar Tree closed. Closed at 9 o'clock. It's 8:45 now. I have like 15 minutes, so I'm trying to get some gel from here. So it breathes nice. It breathes nice tonight. So cool and nice. Go in and shower and just rest. Relax until bedtime. Tomorrow's Friday. Finally Friday. Gotta be early tomorrow, so I'm going to bed early tonight. Like, I always say early, but not too early. I'll go to bed like 10:30, 11, because even if you watch one show tonight, what show did you miss last night? Sisters. I missed Sisters last night. I don't know how the hell I forgot. You know what? When I go home, I'll be watching YouTube videos. I'll be forgetting like I have the BET app on my Fire Stick. They usually get new stuff on Tuesdays, and today's Thursday. But look, the shelf for the soap is like empty. I don't understand. I don't think this is the right album. Facial wipes. Oh, we have olive oil body wash. That's cute. I need these pills. Oh, not really. Oh, that was the right album. They don't have gel. They have salmon. They have salmon. No, they have codfish. I don't have no salmon. They got blueberry. No blueberry. Ouch. Not me hitting my damn head on the blueberry. Let me get some blueberry. Oh, that shit hurt. I just hit my head on the damn door. I have this piece. I tried this before. I have this piece of, oh, okay. This is, oh, there's so much sugar in here, but oh, this would taste so good right now. Listen, I don't eat a lot of sugary stuff anyway, so I'm gonna treat myself to this. But look on this. I don't know when since the Golden Crust I tried this like a couple months ago. Was it last year or something? I tried this before. But they got cookies and cream. Oh, look what I found. Look what I saw. That's why in Walmart I found you. I'll show you this. Cherry cashew. Cherry cashew. Plant-based. Hey. They got plant-based. They have a kind in here. That's crazy. I don't eat these ice cream though. Caramel, sea salt, cherry cashew. I never heard of that before.
Dad! Dad!
Black almond and sea salt. These stuff I can't eat. I'm always looking at stuff I can't eat. Jerk chicken. Oh, it's my favorite. Jerk chicken patty is my favorite. I love this. Let me go on these.
Daddy, ready? Dad, ready?
Yeah.
Dad!
I have two. I'm looking at salmon. They don't have no salmon. No salmon. Or salmon, whatever the hell you want to call it. I don't have no salmon. Oh, I need egg. I haven't had egg in so long. I haven't left my egg. Sorry. Excuse me. They changed the eggs. They think they're slick. What is it? They raised the chicken price and then they changed the size of the eggs. Now it's 6.
I want to buy it.
Always have one cashier in here. Always. My stuff right here. I always have one cashier in this damn place. You don't want to iron nobody, but they're about to close right now anyway. Still, always one cashier. BS. What I found. I want to try this. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I'm going to try it. They're sugar free. I always see these. Remember these? Sunflower seeds, but they don't have the barbecue one. They always have ranch. I don't like ranch. They always have the damn ranch. Barbecue. I am definitely not cooking nothing. I'm going to go to the other Dollar Tree, but I'm not going to go tomorrow because all of them are closed. All of them is closed right now. I'm going to open it first. Definitely there's a coconut. I'm gonna smoke weed. I I love that you can take the coconut in this thing. It tastes so good. Sweet. Friday morning, New York City. A little chilly. A little bit. But it's Friday. It's finally Friday. I should put my jacket. I should have wear my jacket. But I'm gonna reach work, so woo, what's up? Chilly out here.